Right now we're going to be exploring an island called Burnt Island, which has a really cool lighthouse, which I'm so excited to see. And if you follow me, we'll head up this cool ramp. Look what it says here, guys. Please share your Burnt Island experience on social media. Well, I guess I'm doing my part, aren't I? I'm gonna have so much footage by the end of this 2-week trip. Not sure if I can cram it all into one episode. And there she be, the lighthouse on Burnt Island. Let's go take a closer look. So guys, sad story, my drone got, I don't know how to put this, because my good friends gave me the drone as a present, but the drone fell in the ocean and died. Yes, let's have a moment of silence for the drone. Okay, well, the good news is I didn't have a camera card in there, and the video was transmitted over to the phone. So that's the good news. I didn't lose a camera card, but I did lose the drone. Yikes, I won't have to get a new one. Because they're so much fun to fly. The sea air soothes my soul, and the words of Elijah Campbell. I haven't had lobsters since like 2015, which is the last time we came to Maine. Ooh, clams, scallops, lobsters, shrimp, fish.